Welcome to a rare, completely un-Apple related video from me, and it's actually about this guy right here, this very impressive budget tablet from Samsung, the Tab S6 Lite, and today I want to go through a quick list of 6 reasons why I think it's a really great buy and a great value tablet. But before we continue, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like, comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, as the YouTube algorithm likes that and will help push my content to more people. And if you are a recurring viewer, go ahead and click the bell icon and enable all notifications, as it does help the channel out a lot. Okay, reason number 1 to buy this tablet is due to its surprisingly good build. When I unboxed this, I was surprised as to how premium it really feels. You got metal and glass, and that's about it here. Very tactile power and volume keys as well. USB Type-C. And yeah, it's just a very impressive device for the price tag here, $349. It feels, like a more expensive tablet, to be honest with you. Reason number 2, this device has really great AKG speakers. This was another thing that surprised me about this tablet. You have a top-oriented driver and a bottom one as well, and it really makes for an amazing stereo experience when listening to music and also watching movies and videos on this device. And I'll do a quick audio test here to show you what I mean. Okay, that low-key slaps. And yeah, once again, I'm just super impressed with the audio experience this device offers. Reason number 3, this tablet's display has a great aspect ratio for widescreen video. It's not as awkward to watch a movie, for example, in 21:9 on a 16:10 tablet like this compared to a 4:3 iPad or a 3:2 Surface. It's just very comfortable, and once again, the speakers are oriented in a particular way where you can just kind of hold your tablet like this and have the audio, unimpaired or unblocked. So yeah, I really do enjoy consuming YouTube videos and trailers like I'm watching here, and movies too with this device. Reason number 4, the battery life with this device is unreal. I was super surprised here. I thought it was going to be pretty much the same, if not a little bit worse than the iPad 10.2 inch, but in my testing, it's actually better, and I'm not going to tell you how much better because I do have like a full comparison coming soon, but after about 3.5 to 4 hours of video playback at full brightness, this tablet was just under 50% charged, or charge remaining. So yeah, this is another category I am very much pleased with this tablet, and you should expect great battery life out of it if you buy it. Reason number 5, this device comes with a stylus in the box, unlike any iPad where you have to pay an extra $100 to $130 for the privilege of having one. But yeah, for $350, not only do you get a tablet, but you also get a really nice feeling soft touch plastic stylus with pressure sensitivity, and not only that, you get this nice function button, and if you press it close enough to the screen here, you get this nice like function menu where you can smart select the screen and create a new note, like a little quick toggles, nice little features here. And the writing experience is super nice here. I'll open up, let's just go into Samsung Notes, for example here. This is something that my friend was writing when I was shooting B-roll, but anyway, it's a nice smooth experience. And yeah, once again, the fact that this comes in the box is just really awesome. And finally, reason number 6, this device is great for students and people who want to do productivity oriented tasks, specifically note taking, because there are so many great free apps. Everything that I have here is not paid. I have Samsung Notes, of course, that comes with the device. Squid is a nice app for taking notes. You get like lined paper. I did a whole video covering these apps, but I'm just gonna mention them again here. OneNote, of course, is free. Notebook is free. Bamboo Paper is another great free app for note taking here. It offers a very smooth experience with the S Pen that we have. And then of course you have the usual suspects like the Google Suite, Docs, Drive, Gmail, and other student apps on the Play Store that are also free. So yeah, this has been a quick sort of feature summary of this device. It's very impressive, I think, for what it is. Is it the most perfect device for everyone? Definitely not. But once again, I think you get a lot of value here, and it's definitely for a person who is on a budget and is looking for a great media consumption experience, and a productivity one, once again, especially due to the fact that this comes with a stylus in the box. And that about wraps things up here. I hope this video was helpful. Once again, I'd appreciate it if you leave a like, comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, and of course, subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.